Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Aziz Faid bin Muhammad Muslihab, and my team group is Muhammad Afiq Syahmi bin Rosdi. Topic: Product Fund. Function of fund. A fund is a powered machine used to the created flow within a fluid. Typically, a gas as a fund consists of a rotating regimen of vanes of bleed uh, cast on the air. The rotating assembly of blade and hub is known as an ability rotor runner. Electric fund, which easy dismiss the magnitude by which electric fund control all life, but even in the digital era, this would call the return of the power of electric fund. I blame propeller and jet engineers of a based on technology for different types of fund. Cars and even computers can express catastrophic failure should their fund fail, but come a summer it beating the heat, we must instruction fund with. How do electric fund work? Funds move air thanks to spinning blades attention to a rotor on a shaft which is serviced by a motor powered by either AC or DC electrical current. The rotor spins the blade and speed can easily be variable. How many speed a fan has a far less importance than the revolution per minute combined with the number of blades and their length will ultimately affect the number of cubic feet of airflow a machine in a minute. By calculating air but not using a college fund, fund uh, environmentally friendly and energy efficient. If in alongside heater or air conditioner, they prevent to lower energy costs. In heating application, a ceiling fan alone can help ensure the heat calculates a room rather than racing to the ceiling. Three types of fan technology Archer fan. Archer fan movement goes all the way back to early windmill design, whether powered by natural or electricity, which move the blade and propels air the blade position around an axis that rotates and they pull in the air parallel to the axis and push it out the same way. It's a low pressure airflow and its energy efficient. Centrifugal fan. Invented in 1832, this fan has blades perpendicular to the airflow, with many blades mounted on a flywheel that spins at high speed and pushes air out in a radical direction, usually on in a 90-degree angle from where the air enters, usually to be or shaft used to channel this airflow An everyday experience of a centrifugal fan is a leaf blower. Industry, Industrial fan and heat blower used in a construction to speed up drying for later or in wood mitigation. Also tend to be centrifugal blower engines on a jet and other machine use centrifugal fuel. Bladeless fan. They soon blew the door off the cement application work with it release of the first blade fan in 2009. Connection to dog they do have blade. They resonate smell blade in the base of the unit where the air is sucked in a then pushed up and out through a hop and a multipliers the air. The effect is an outgoing airflow up 15 times more powerful than the air suction in, and it also a smooth, steady flow versus the sharp flow of a traditional axial fan. This makes for an extremely powerful, energy-efficient fan that also much safer for households with children and pets. Facts about fan early invention. At the Fan Museum in Greenwich, England, they celebrate the hand fan in artwork dating as far back as 3000 BC. There are distinctions of ancient Greek, Roman, and Etruscan being fan bird feeders were used to cool down through hand fanning by ancient Aztec and other civilizations in the ancient Americas. Folding and fixed fan adorned with decoration and painting became status symbols for the rich throughout history, right up in the 19th century. When it comes to the history of fan, the first truly mechanized fan, the Punka, was created in the 1500s in the Middle East and was a convex and covered wood frame affixed to the ceiling where it was moved back and forth via pulling a rope drawn by servant called Punkah Walla.